Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to make group chat on iPhone iMessage. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to make group chat. First of all, make sure to enable iMessage in your iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on messages, and here you will find iMessage option. Just enable iMessage option from here. Now go ahead and open message app, and now to create a new group chat, tap on this new chat icon, and here in this to field you have to add your contacts to make a group chat. So tap on this plus icon, and now from your phone contact select contacts one by one, and you will be able to add up to 32 contacts in a iMessage group chat. So here's let's add another contact. That's how. Go ahead and add contacts for your group. And now in this text message box, write a random message and just send the message, and your group chat will be created, as you can see. Now tap on your group chat at the top and tap on change name and photo, and now you will be able to customize this group. Enter here your group name, and to change group profile photo you can capture an instant photo, or you can use a photo from your gallery. You can use an emoji from here, and you can also select a memoji from this list. Let's select this memoji for this group and tapping on next, choose, and done. That's it. This is how we can create a group in iMessage in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.